everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today we have a 2023 Lexus RX redesign. It's a completely redesigned for 2023. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified of new videos, and really push that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Welcome back, folks. Today we're looking at the RX redesign. So we're looking at the RX 350. It looks like an S Sport over here. You can see it's well redesigned. The front fascia, the back, the inside. So everything is redesigned pretty much, but you still get a lot of the amenities that you had in the past. The 350L is gone. It's going to probably reincarnate into a different model at a later date. I do want to mention that. And they're going to have like 4 redesigned powertrains. 3 of them are electrified. Lexus Safety Sense Plus 3.0. And a Lexus Interface multimedia system available with 14-inch touchscreen. 14-inch, amazingly. 2 grades, Premium Plus and S Sport Performance with direct 4 all-wheel drive system. And also RX first available advanced park. So that's going to be a special feature. I guess you could park your car. It parks it for you. So looking at the exterior, you can see on the side over here, yes, the door handles actually don't really move. So you're going to have like a touch inside to open the door handle. Yes, these are 19-inch wheels and you could get 21-inch. That's going to be available. This one has fog lamps. You can see the front fascia is well integrated into the vehicle. And this was very noticeable. So let me know in the comments, what do you think of that? All right, in the back of the vehicle, you probably notice the light bar goes all the way from the left side to the right side, and Lexus is spelled out. And look at the side of the tail lamp, looks really good, these little touches overall. So definitely a nice redesign, nice refresh. Very more aggressive or sporty look, you could say as well too. So 350 all-wheel drive, all right, and this one has the fog lamps and a lot of the LED lamps as well. So very bold and very different in the way. So let me give you some excerpts from this particular release. All right, so it's going to be offering 10 different colors: ultra white, eminent white pearl, nubula gray pearl, iridium, which is silver pretty much, Kevlar, right, meta red mica, copper crest, nori green pearl, nightfall mica, and Grecian water. So definitely those colors going to be different. I didn't see a tonic silver. I guess that one's gone. I know it's not a favorite to many people. But what do you think about the redesign? You know, a little bit different this time altogether. Okay, so let's take a look at the interior here. A little bit on the colors: macadamia, black birch, palomino, peppercorn, and Raja red. Pardon me if I chopped up the name a little bit, but the seats are really comfortable by looking at this over here. And it's very, yeah, it's pretty large and, you know, comfortable. You know, what you buy a Lexus for is for comfort, luxury, and also reliability. So that's a big thing. So the panel roof is just amazing on this vehicle. You can see that over here. With the redesign, it's just so much better. Right? Yes, you're going to get some of the functionality with the same DNA as the NX. Also the buttons, multi-function buttons, by the way. Steering wheel's going to feel the same. And you don't have the shift gate anymore. It's just electronic shift. There's a name for that, of course. Still get the cup holders. You know, you got ventilation system with the charging for the phone and such. You can see that over here, Qi charging. You also have the backup mirror. So this S Sport model has my favorite color, Woja red. So that's going to be a very beautiful color. I really like that color. So I have it on my GS, I can tell that. S Sport badging, also all around. And, you know, so this one in particular also has all the functionality you could ask for in an S Sport, including, wait for it, Mark Levinson sound system. So that's one of those options that come with. Yes, it has those door things that it's a love or hate. You have to press the button to open. But that's the thing I maybe questionable. Mark Levinson is one of the best radio sound systems you could get in the vehicle, right? Tri-zone climate control at least. So this one looks also has vents in the sides, could be a hybrid. This one has also the buttons so you push down. Also have an outlet. Looks like it's going to be in the back. Yes, there's a lot of different engine choices. I'm going to put that in the description. The powertrain. There's a 2.4 liter turbo gas. It's an 8-speed automatic transmission making 275 horsepower. The torque is 317 pound-feet, so it's definitely going to be more faster, more torque, turns the wheels more. So there's a RX 350H. That's a 2.5 liter hybrid vehicle CVT. That one's 246 for the horsepower. And there's a RX 500H F Sport Performance. It's a 2.4 liter turbo hybrid. So that's going to be amazing. So a lot of new technology, and you can see it's all fold down. It looks like it could be controlled manually. So, but you know, they're doing a demo here, so got to see it to really tell you. But they do fold down, so all the seats fold down. This one could seat 5 people. So you know, the seats fold down, you can have plenty of space. I don't have the numbers in particular yet. So the length of the vehicle is 193, a little bit less than 193. The width is about 75.6 inches, and the height is 67.3 inches. And the wheelbase is 112.2 inches. And you can get the 19-inch wheel or the 21-inch wheel as an option. So I do want to mention that. Things to note, the 6-cylinder engine is gone. You probably noticed that. They mentioned it earlier. It's going to be similar to the Highlander. So that's about it. I really hope you liked the video surprise of today. A comment to share, please leave in the comments below. And if you help me out with a thumbs up, greatly appreciate that. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.